Okay, girls. Do you know how I said bundle up because a snowstorm's coming?
Yeah. I love it.
Well, I lied. We're actually bringing the snowstorm indoors.
How?
Stay tuned to find out. We are going to make a snowstorm in a jar, and we will just need a few supplies for this. First thing we'll need is a jar, baby oil, white paint, Alka-Seltzer, water, glitter, a stir stick, and if you want to add it, you can add blue food coloring. The first step is we're going to fill a quarter of your jar with water. Next, we're going to add some paint to the water. Now stir. Add a couple drops of food coloring. Now this is optional. Good. And stir. It is turning blue. If you have glitter, you can add it now. You're now going to take the baby oil and fill your jar almost to the top. Now is the time to add any special supplies. Evelyn will be adding some Shopkins to hers, and Lauren will be adding some buttons. This is our last step. You're going to take your Alka-Seltzer, you're going to break it into 4 pieces, and then one by one you're going to put it into your jar.
2. Come back, friends.